Sawubona mfundi, ngiyakwamukela kulanga lesihlanu ele 21 day challenge yesiNdebele. So, today I'm going to give you 9 instructions in Ndebele. Let's see if you can understand what I'm saying. All these are just simple instructions, right? So, as usual, please have your notebook, have your paper and pen, and jot down your answers, and then check if you're correct when I'm giving you your answers. All right. Then I'm going to ask you to let me know how much you scored. All right. So, like we've been saying, we're all about helping you get handy with isiNdebele. Want you to use it, want you to practice with it so that when you're speaking, you're more confident. So, instruction number 1, pheka. If I just come up to you and say pheka, what am I saying? I'll give you a moment. Cook is what I'm saying. Pheka, cook. Number 2, hlabela. What am I saying? Sing. 3, gida. What does that mean? It means dance. And number 4, bala. Bala means what? It means write. What about bala? There's a slight difference there. First I say bala, right. Now, bala. Which one? Kutsho ukuthi read. Bala, read. Alright? And then number 6, gijima. This one is common. And it means run, isn't it? 7, geza. If I say geza, bath, right? Take a bath. That's the instruction. All right. And then number 8, funda. What does that mean? It means learn. All right. Lastly, khuluma. If I say to you, khuluma, what am I saying? I'm asking you to speak. Out of 9, how much did you get correct? I really want to know. Right. Now that we've done that, I want you to create the simplest sentence using these verbs. And the simplest sentence is, I am doing this. I am cooking. I am bathing. I am running. All right. Let's see if you can do that quickly. So number 1, you want to say, I am running. Uzakutini? Mina ngiyagijima. Mina is optional. You can simply say ngiyagijima. Right. 2, I am cooking. Ngiyapheka. Mina ngiyapheka. 3, I'm speaking. Ngiyakhuluma. It's literally the simplest sentence you can create out of this. Right. And then 4, I am reading. Mina ngiyabala. How about 5, I am learning. Ngiyafunda. Is that what you're saying? All right. Good. And then number 6, we have I am singing. Ngiyahlabela. 7, I am writing. I am writing. Ngiyabala. And then I am bathing. Sitini. Did you say ngiyageza? Because that's what you're supposed to say. Lastly, I am dancing. Sitini ngesindebele. Ngiyagida. Right, awesome stuff. So go ahead and use your phrases to speak, to communicate with someone, and keep practicing isiNdebele. I'll leave you with Inqobe, the challenge. So, what are you doing right now? Wenzani mfundi? Wenzani khathesi? Let me know in the comments. All right, just say mina ngiya. Let us know what you are currently doing, and we'll see you in the next challenge. Bye-bye.